Hey guys, let's fix this issue quickly. First of all, we need to open the command prompt. So press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here cmd and click on OK. But you open the command prompt normally, we will get some problem. So for that, just go to search bar, type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Okay, so this is a better way to open command prompt with the administration privileges. Now type here ip config space / flush DNS and hit enter. Then type here ipconfig space / renew. We need to wait for some time to complete the process. Then we will execute the next command, that will be netsh winsock reset and hit enter to execute the command. Then we need to restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. Before that, we have to do the last method. Simply press Windows key plus R key together to open run and type here %temp% and hit enter. So here you will get the multiple files and folders in the temp folder. So we need to select all these files together, right click on it and select delete. We need to delete all the files and folders. So close this window, again open run, type here temp and click on OK. Again here you will get multiple files and folders, so delete them all. And once done, close this and restart the system. You can also check out our description or pin comment to fix this issue quickly, so it will help you a lot. And don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.